2023 GMC Yukon. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor, seat massage, third row seating, heated side view mirrors. Get a fast and easy price quote today